In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a timeline on Asana. This process is straightforward and useful if you need to analyze your project data or share it with others outside the tool. Let's dive right in and walk through this step by step. First things first, you'll want to log into your Asana account. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to access the project that you're interested in exporting. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard and locate the specific project you wish to export. It might be helpful to have a clear idea of which project you're working with to save time. Next, you'll want to switch to the timeline view. The timeline offers a visual representation of the tasks within your project and is perfect for exporting if you need to see how everything lines up date-wise. You can find the timeline view at the top of your project interface, right along with other views like list and board. Simply click on it to switch your display. Now, look towards the top right corner of your screen for the Project Actions menu. This menu holds several options relating to the management and configuration of your project. It might be represented by a three-dot icon or something similar, depending on your system's settings or updates. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with more options. At this point, you'll see various choices for interacting with your project data, but our focus is on exporting it. Look for the option labeled Export Lab Print. Clicking on this will provide a few different ways to export your data. Select the CSV option, which stands for comma separated values. This format is essential because it allows the timeline data to be opened in spreadsheet software, making it incredibly versatile for data analysis and sharing. Once the CSV file has been downloaded to your computer, you can open it using any spreadsheet tool that you're comfortable with, such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Both of these tools will interpret the CSV format correctly and provide you with a neat, tabular display of your project timeline. If you don't already have these applications, there are also free options available online that can handle CSV files beautifully. Just upload the file and start analyzing the data as needed. And there you have it. With these easy steps, you can effortlessly export the timeline view from Asana, thus transforming your project data into a flexible format for further use. Hopefully, this has been a clear and helpful guide. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.